Guide you through how to create a Facebook page. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and click on the menu button. For me, it's in the bottom right, but on other phones, it may be in the top right. Then what you want to do is go and click on Pages in the shortcuts. You may need to click on See More to go and find it. In the Pages page, go to the top right and click on Create. And then we can go and get started. You can swipe across here or just press Get Started at the bottom. And then you can pick your name. After you've typed it in, click on Return and click on Next and choose a category. For me, I'll choose Education Website. You can actually add others as well. After you've done that, click on Create and it'll be made. You've now created your page. You need to choose what best describes your goals. And you can then add a profile picture and a banner. You can invite friends if you want to. And you can choose if you want to have notifications as well. Click on Done and that's it. You'll get switched to your page, and to switch between your page and your profile, click on the menu button in the bottom right or the top right, and you can then click on the three dots just below the search and settings button, and you can choose which page or profile you want to switch to. So I'll switch back to my profile. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.